Kitchen. Today guys, we're gonna make spicy baked chicken. If you don't like spicy food, just omit the red pepper flakes. Let's get right into it. You know Mama B doesn't like to waste time. Here I have chicken pieces, olive oil, Nashville hot chicken style seasoning, red pepper flakes, smoked paprika, a garlic powder, black pepper, white pepper, some salt, garlic, and thyme. So let's get started. First, I'm gonna season my chicken with salt. In goes Nashville seasoning, red pepper flakes. This dish is gonna be flaming hot. Garlic, white pepper, black pepper, smoked paprika. I need a lot. Now I'm gonna add my thyme. Okay, now it's time to chop our garlic and add it to the chicken. I'm gonna drizzle my olive oil. My hands are clean, guys. I washed my hands. I'm gonna toss all this together. I'm gonna grease my pan with a cooking spray and place the chicken. Guys, this recipe, you don't even need to marinate the chicken. You just mix everything together, then bake it. How simple is that? Then dinner is served in an hour. And a little bit of red pepper flakes. Yep, we like it hot, 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 spicy. Okay, into the oven, 350 Fahrenheit, 60 minutes. Okay, there you have it, guys. Spicy baked chicken. Try this recipe, guys. Let me know how it turned out on the comments down below. And if you really like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming videos. Thank you, my honeys, for the subscriptions. Until next time, bye. Honey for my heart.